everyone, it's Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I just received my latest Farmbox Direct order. I thought you might want to see what's in the box. But first, I post at least 3 videos a week, and at least one of those is an unboxing video. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and then tap the bell icon right next to it so you never miss a video. And if you're not new here but you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and get that out of the way. Let's get this box open. So Farmbox Direct is a service where you can order your produce and you can do a subscription where it's weekly, bi-weekly. You can skip weeks if you want. I believe they offer organic and conventional. I always do organic. In one of my last videos, somebody left a comment about that saying that it doesn't matter, a banana is a banana, whether it's organic or conventional. A banana isn't something different if it's organic. I choose to eat organic whenever possible, and here's why. There are a lot of chemicals put on conventional foods that are not allowed in organic. And a lot of those chemicals can interfere with your body. Some of them cause cancer, others cause other diseases. And for me, it became the secret sauce because I was struggling to lose weight, tried what I thought was everything. And then I tried to do all organic, including meats. That, for me, was a secret sauce because some of the chemicals involved in conventional farming can be endocrine disruptors, and that can wreak havoc with your hormones. If your hormones are not in balance, it can be very difficult to lose weight. It's a healthier option for those of us that don't want to have chemicals in our body messing with our systems. It's a healthier option. But more than that, if you're struggling with weight loss, going organic may be your secret sauce too. It does cost a little bit more to eat all organic or mostly organic. So what you can do is you can use the Dirty Dozen list, which there's a link to in the description below. For those 12, or I think there's a bonus number 13 now, for those 13 vegetables, you can choose to eat organic for those only. Or you can find services like Farmbox Direct and Misfits Market, which I do videos, unboxing videos for as well. Because these are services I use, and I sought them out because with everything going on right now, I was looking to save money on produce. I had been using a local supplier that delivered to my home, and they were great. They really were. I actually love them a lot. But they were costing me over $100 a week for similar quantities to what I get from Misfits Market and Farmbox Direct. And it just wasn't sustainable for me to continue to order from them as much as I want to support local businesses. I just couldn't continue to do it. So I sought out services like this where I can get quality vegetables shipped so I don't have to go to the grocery store and potentially expose myself to the virus and save money at the same time. And if you're interested in getting started with eating organic, I have my 28-day transformation. There's a link to that in the description down below. And if you use promo code YouTube when you sign up, you'll save $200. But that code's not going to last long, so click on the link below and use that as soon as possible. If you want to get started on your weight loss right away, you can start the program right now. I also have a detox program that's coming soon. If you're interested in the detox program, there's also a link in the description down below. So, one thing I really like about Farmbox Direct is they wrap everything. They handle everything with care, and that's really super nice because Misfits Market doesn't do that. They are cheaper, but they don't pay as careful attention to the produce. So this is some curly kale. Kale is great because it's only 33 calories, but it packs 2 grams of protein, and it's high in fiber too. This is some nice looking kale. Yay, I don't have to get them. These are really beautiful Yukon Gold potatoes, and Yukon Gold potatoes are my favorite potato to make mashed potatoes with. So I was really hoping that these would be as beautiful as they are, so I don't have to go out to the store and buy them for Thanksgiving prep. These should keep. I'll have these for Thanksgiving and our mashed potatoes. These are really, really beautiful Yukon Golds. More. This is fantastic. So many Yukon Golds. You know, I'm really happy with their quality. I am so happy with their quality. So 2, 4, 6, 8. I think there's 10. Maybe we'll find another. We have at least 9 Yukon Golds, and that is plenty for me to make mashed potatoes. And the reason I love Yukon Gold so much is they have an already buttery flavor to them, so you don't have to add tons of butter when you make the mashed potatoes. And they stay light and fluffy. Some cranberries. These look good. The ones we got from Misfits were packaged, and these are loose, but they look good. These are for me to make cranberry sauce with, and these will keep. I also did make a pie the other day. I made an apple cranberry pie, which was so good. So good. And ironically, I forgot to put butter on top. So I mixed up the apples with the coconut sugar, cinnamon, allspice, nutmeg, lemon juice, and cranberries. And normally I would put dabs of butter on the top before I put the top pie crust on. And I totally forgot to do it. And it was actually a really good pie anyway. Didn't taste like it was missing anything. So maybe I'll just make my pies that way from now on. Or maybe a little dabs of coconut oil instead. Not sure. I like to play around with things. But these were really good in the pie. Cranberries. They're not just for sauce. Some rainbow carrots, and these are always great to have around the house. I had cut some up the other day. I made some falafel, homemade falafel, and homemade hummus, and I cut some of the carrots up that I had, served them on the side so that I could dip them in the hummus. Super good. Brussels sprouts, these are nice and big. These are nice, large Brussels sprouts. And Brussels sprouts are one of our favorite vegetables around here. I like to, when they're that size, I like to slice them in half, blanch them, and then roast them. They're so good. You can tell we really like Brussels sprouts because we got some more. And I'm going to combine these into one bag so I don't have all these bags of Brussels sprouts. Look at the size of that Brussels sprout. These are definitely sprouts that I will cut in half. And I did make some substitutions to this order, so that's why I wound up with 2 Brussels sprouts. You can substitute, I think it's up to 4 or 5 items. If they are adding something that you don't care for, you can substitute something else. And I did that in this case. Green beans, and these have the Desi pack in them. We've talked about this before. This is a little pack that they put in, keep static and humidity down so that the vegetables stay fresh. Because they do, for some reason, Farmbox Direct ships by UPS ground. So far, I haven't had an issue with it, and this is, I think, order number 3 or 4. But these are really nice green beans. And the Desi packs are nice. I actually keep them and put them in my crisper in the fridge. Some Bartlett pears. These look pretty good. Some more Bartlett pears. Some more Brussels sprouts. Yes, we love Brussels sprouts. The size of these sprouts, they're so big. They put the ice packs on the side in the corner and then put the paper on top of it so it wouldn't move around and crush anything. That is such a simple, easy thing to do. And I don't know why Misfits Market has to just toss the ice pack in on top of everything and crush the strawberries every week. But I like that Farmbox Direct takes a little more care. You do pay more for a little more care though. And we have some oranges. This one's a little yellow, but these look okay. And one thing I just remembered to point out to you is these have the sticker on them. And one way that you can, when you're shopping at the grocery store, if you pick up a piece of produce, the first number should be 9 if it's organic. If it's not 9 on the sticker, then it's not an organic item. So that's an easy trick, an easy way to spot organic items. So now we have some oranges, and I was actually getting these to go with the cranberries, but I'm not sure that's what I'll use them for. That's what's in my Farmbox Direct order for this week. So this is everything that came in my order. It all looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. But what do you think? Is this a good value for around $63? And I'll put the receipt up. No. Is this a good value for what I paid? Let me know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this order. Also, let me know if you've tried Farmbox Direct and how your experience has been. And if you have another produce service that you think I should try, let me know that too. Somebody left me a comment about another service the other day, and I actually signed up. So I'm going to be getting a new produce service coming into the mix, and we'll see what they're like. But if you've got one that you like a lot, you think I should try, let me know. And if you're interested in trying Farmbox Direct, there is a coupon below in the description too. Also in the description is a link to my nutrition programs and services if you're interested in trying those. Remember, use promo code YouTube to save $200 on my 28-day transformation program. So it's only going to cost you $97, but that's a limited time coupon code. There's only so many of them available. So if you want to join, do it right away because they're going fast. And if you like this video, hit the like button and feel free to share it with your friends and on social media too. That really goes a long way to help other people find the video. And remember, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon because I have tons of new content coming at you every week and you don't want to miss any of it, especially during the holidays. I've got some helpful holiday tips all coming up for the next few weeks. That's all for now. This is Amy. I will see you real soon. Bye.